Who was the first Vice-Chancellor of Guwahati University? A. Nabeen Chandra Bordoloi. B. Gopinath Bordoloi. C. Kamalakanta Bhattacharya. D. Krishnakanta Handikyu. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is D. Krishnakanta Handikyu. Explanation. Krishnakanta Handikyu was the first Vice-Chancellor of Guwahati University when it was established in 1948. He was a renowned scholar, Sanskritist, and educationist who made significant contributions to higher education. Which instrument is used for measuring atmospheric pressure? A. Hydrometer. B. Altimeter. C. Barometer. D. Thermometer. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is C. Barometer. Explanation. A barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. It helps in weather forecasting by indicating changes in air pressure. A hydrometer measures the specific gravity of liquids, an altimeter measures altitude, and a thermometer measures temperature. Ali Aye Ligang is a festival of which community? A. Khamti. B. Machine. C. Karbi. D. Dimasa. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Machine. Explanation. Ali Aye Ligang is the most important agricultural festival of the Machine people community in Assam. It marks the beginning of the sowing season and is celebrated with traditional dances, songs, and community feasts. What is the main component of a glacier? A. Lava. B. Salt water. C. Ice. D. Rainforest. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is C. Ice. Explanation. A glacier is a large, slow-moving mass of ice formed over many years from compacted snow. Glaciers are found in polar regions and high mountain ranges and store about 69% of the world's freshwater. How many countries does India share land borders with? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is B. 7. Explanation. India shares land borders with 7 countries, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Afghanistan, through the region claimed by India. Therefore, the correct answer is 7 countries. What was the former name of Karbi Anglong district? A. Mikir Hills district. B. Lashai Hills district. C. Kachar Hills district. D. West Nagar Hills district. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Mikir Hills district. Explanation. Karbi Anglong was formerly known as Mikir Hills district. In 1976, the district was officially renamed Karbi Anglong to reflect the identity of the Karbi people community living in the region. McMahon Line separates which 2 countries? A. Afghanistan and Pakistan. B. Myanmar and Bangladesh. C. India and China. D. Vietnam and Thailand. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is C. India and China. Explanation. The McMahon Line is the boundary between India and China in the eastern Himalayas. It was proposed during the 1914 Simla Convention between British India and Tibet. India recognizes it as the international boundary, while China does not accept it, making Kathakali is a dance form of which state? A. Gujarat. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Himachal Pradesh. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is C. Kerala. Explanation. Kathakali is a famous classical dance drama from Kerala. It is known for its elaborate makeup, colorful costumes, expressive facial expressions, and storytelling based on Hindu epics such as the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Gobha Raja is the titular king of which community? A. Ahom. B. Machine. C. Khamti. D. Teva. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is D. Tiva. Explanation. The Gobha Raja is the traditional, titular, king of the Tiva people community of Assam. Although the position no longer has administrative powers, the Gobha Raja continues to play an important cultural and ceremonial role, especially during traditional festivals and community events. Which country is known as the cockpit of Europe? A. Switzerland. B. Belgium. C. Spain. D. Portugal. Choose the correct answer in 5 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Belgium. Explanation. Belgium is known as the cockpit of Europe because many major European battles, including the Battle of Waterloo, were fought there due to its strategic location in Europe.